creamy chicken and mushroom topped with mashed potato. Comforting meal? Definitely yes, in one. Here's my chicken and mushroom shepherd's pie. Hello dear boarders, welcome back. First things first, peel off the skin of potatoes, then cut it into quarter and soak it in water. Bring to the boil and cook for at least 20 minutes or until the potato is soft. Then after that, drain it with a colander. Then get a separate pan and mash. You know the tricky part of this while it's hot, it's quite easy to mash the potato. You don't have to put any butter or milk at the same time, and it's good. Then I'm using chicken fillet here. I'm gonna cut it for 3 parts. Well, it's all up to you how you want to slice it. You want thinner? Well, for me, this is fine. Then the beautiful button mushroom, cut it into chunky, at least 40 parts. Meanwhile, on a hot pan, pour an extra virgin olive oil and that yellow onion and saute it until it's translucent. Add on the sliced chicken and saute it for a while. Some pinch of coarse pepper ground, and then 2.5 cups of water. Then I have a prepared frozen vegetable here, carrots, peas, and corn. Just add it all together, then mix. With a beautiful aroma, this dish is ain't complete without this lovely dried thyme leaf. It's nearly boiled. Time to add our gorgeous mushroom and some chopped fresh parsley. Simmer it for at least 10 to 15 minutes, then add in your fresh milk. In a separate bowl, I have prepared 2 tablespoons of flour and melted it in water and pour it into the dish until you get that perfect consistency texture. There you have it, creamy mushroom is ready. Now get a scoop and transfer it to the prepared baking dish. Then spread the mashed potatoes on top. Now get a fork to create a stiff peaks in the potatoes. That delicious lovely aroma, get an egg wash and brushes on top. Bake it in a medium hot oven for at least about 180 degrees until the peaks of the potatoes are brown and mixture is bubbling for at least I think about 15 minutes or so. Just check it out. The creamy chicken filling is spiked with the lovely mashed potatoes with olive oil in this healthy shepherd's pie recipe. Thank you very much everyone for joining with me in this lovely episode of Cooking Here at Bold Cook TV. I'm signing off for now, but please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe button and hit notification bells for more updates. This is Bold Cook TV saying bye bye.